Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Donut Man Can channel, the only channel run by a man whose problems have only increased after becoming not homeless. But let's learn some Japanese. That's all I got. That's all I got now. I hope you like background noise. So we've got another essential grammar rule over here, and it's called no. You should be familiar how no means the English equivalent of an apostrophe S to show the ownership of something, like in You should also know it's used to make a noun or no adjective a describing word.
この人が呼ぶ万里は俺のことじゃない。この人にとっての万里は高校の時の万里。
No is also used as a sentence ender thing to ask a question like ka.
どんなに小さくなった山芋でも最後まですりおろすことができます。池谷の新製品電動調理器セーフティーカッターシグマ。
But it's most usefully used when the speaker is surprised about something.
ダメだ。師匠、そうやって見るの?
It's also used to make any verb or adjective into a noun. For e-adjectives, you just need to put the no afterwards.
悪いのはお前の方だ。
For na adjectives, you have to put a na before your no. Then for verbs, you just put in no after your verb.
そんな、私は店長と働くのが楽しいから、お休みなんてなくてもいいんです。
So yeah, that's no.